So I was watching a video of cause my keys used to get stuck in the ignition like sometimes. So I put some whatever thing in here. I guess this button could get stuck sometimes. So I put WD-40, and I listened to some other guy. The guy was like turning the wheel all the way to the left, and then put the brake up and put the thing on. And now my thing is stuck. Like I can't move my wheel or turn the key. So I did a little research, and oh, by the way, this is something new I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna cover my number. See that keychain, and then I have my number. If found, call this number, just in case somebody loses my key. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. So this video told me, I guess. Let me see if I can do it while holding the phone. I guess he said hold it, boom, like this, turn it, and then let it go. Woo! Now it goes on, yeah, and it worked. See it. All right. So if y'all didn't see that, if your wheel is stuck, like some way, turn it, like see which way you tug it a little bit. If it goes to the left, boom. Then use the thing, put on the ignition, and then your wheel be able to move. Anyway, so I just googled that and shit, that helped me out. I guess it's like a lock safety thing, so people won't steal cars. You know, how back in the day they used to have the rod here. Yeah, that's what they do now. But yeah, just hey, if anybody else having this problem, hope this helped you out.